I wanted to show you how to recover from a collision while you're programming the cobot on the Mac cart. So we're going to go ahead and we'll drag up our handle teach. Like we're going to go ahead and program this part you can see on the table. I'm going to enable freehand teaching, which allows me to move the robot. And it's bound to happen, but you're going to be moving the robot around, trying to get into position, and eventually you're going to crash into the table. Okay, what do we do in this instance? I try hitting reset on the tablet. It's not clearing the error. I try moving my switch. Not going to clear the error. This will not move. What you can do in this instance is you take the tablet, and on the back of the holder is what's called the dead man switch right here. It's a 3-position switch. I'm going to depress it to the middle, and you'll notice the robot will jump back out of this condition. From there, I can return the tablet to its holder. I can re-enable my switch, and we're back to where we were. We can continue with our programming.